Sobrang init na this summer 2023 and you want to cool down dito sa Siquijor? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Maayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. Kung mahilig kayo sa kakaibang flavor na ice cream, tara na dito sa Port Antartica, Amoroso Street, Poblacion, Siquijor, Siquijor. A few steps away lang ito from St. Francis de Assisi Church. Port Antartica has a wide selection of ice cream flavors. Their premium ice cream is worth 50 pesos per scoop. The flavors include tropical fruits such as avocado, buko pandan, dragon fruit, durian, manga, ube, and more. While their luxury ice cream is worth 60 pesos per scoop. The flavors include blueberry cheesecake, rum raisin, Nutella, and almond pistachio. Dahil miss ko ang pistachio, itong almond pistachio in-order ko and I love it. They also sell ice candy. By the way, you need to pay 5 pesos for cone and 10 pesos for toppings. Port Antartica is opened every day from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Again, this has been J Perpetual Kid and we just tasted the yummy ice cream of Port Antartica in Amoroso Street, Poblacion, Siquijor, Siquijor. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!